Hello. Now I will continue to talk about now lists. So suppose that we have a list. Let's say the first element is 134, 23, right? Maybe we have some string FDE, right? And so, and also let's say we want the, let us print it. Okay, let us print L here. Okay, and if you compile it, we're gonna see that after Python here reads the first line, it's automatically assigns this list to the variable L, and it reads the second line, print L, and it gives us the uh, list. All right. Now let's see more what could we do with the lists. So L 0. So this is the zeroth element of the list here, L. So if you print it, you're gonna find that it is 134, which is the zeroth place, in the zeroth place of the list, or if the first place of the list here. Okay. So if we if you want to know in the first place, or the object here on the indices in these one here, we're gonna see 23. Okay, and if you of course into 2, then you're gonna see the string fde here. All right, so let us see what happens if I put here 3. Probably it will give us an error here. So you see that here list index is out of range, right? So Python is automatically warning us about this mistake. All right, we have also some operation len. So if I here put the variable L is a list, right? And len, this is an operation, this is a method here. It gives you the length of the list. So let's say print this one and let us compile it. So it's 3. So you see that here L has 3 many elements, and len length method is giving you the length of the list here. It's very simple. So let us see in another example. Let's say n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So let us want Python to print us the length of this list here. So let us compile it. So it will give us 7 here. So all right. If you wish, by the way, you may change the list of the elements. Let's say we want the zeroth element of the list to be equal, I don't know, let's say 100, right? So if you compile it, it will assign permanently to the zeroth element of list n to be 100, right? So let's see print n, and let's see what happened to n here. So you see that after I assign 100 to the zeroth element of the list n, then it will permanently change here. All right. Um, okay, so it means that we are able to change the elements of a list here. Also, I mean, let us write a equals to 1, let's say. Okay, let us write it here. So let us try to change the values of variables here, okay, one by one. So let's say a equals to 1, b equals to 2, right, and c equals to 3. All right. So and let's see what happens if we want, let's say, print a. Okay, so print a. So if since a is equals to 1 here, a is assigned to be the integer 1 and prints us to 1. If you wish, you may print them in just one line. Okay, then it will give us 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we may here, so if we write here like something like this, a is assigned to be B here, right? A is assigned to be B here. If we compile it now, let us see what happens to A here, right? And it is 2 now. So A was indeed, at the very beginning it was 1 here, but now since the value of B is assigned to A, so the value of B was 2, it's still 2, and now its value is assigned to uh, the variable A here, so it's permanently changed now, all right? So let us see all of them. So, so you see that here, B's value is assigned to A here. All right. So let's see here. Uh, let us put the variable e to be 100, all right, and f to be, let's say, 200. All right. And if you wish, you may put another variable t to be e, all right, and another variable, let's say y, to be f. Okay. So now we compile it. So if you print it, let's say you print e and f, so it will give us 100 and 200, all right? But let's say what happened to the variables t and y, all right? So t, if we print t, it should give us the value of e here, and the value of e was 100. So since t was assigned to be e's value, so similarly, if you print y, then we're going to see that y, since y is assigned to be the value of f, then it will hold y is assigned to be 200 permanently again. All right. So um, so okay, I'll see you guys later.